Hello dear friends, welcome you all my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. In our Excel series videos, today we are going to learn about three new functions, that is average, a maximum function and minimum function. So let's start our video. The data is given over here. We have the data of 5 students, those who are scored the marks in their different subjects like English, Maths and Science. So here we are going to find out the average marks of each student, and here we are going to find out the maximum and minimum marks for each subject. Each respective subject we are going to find out maximum and minimum marks over here. So first we are going to calculate the average marks. As you know, whenever we are going to use any function, first we have to uh, type is equal to sign. So here we have type the is equal to sign, then we are going to use average function over here. We are going to write down average, then bracket open. So again we have to enter the range for which we want to calculate the average marks. So these three subject marks we have to enter. So the range over here is G9, H9 and I9. Okay, so we are going to make the bracket close over here and we are going to press enter. Okay, so average marks is 75 for Arun. Then next again we are going to type the same formula, that is equal to then average, then bracket open. Again we have to select the range or the different marks. So here we are going to select the range G10 to I10. The bracket is closed. Again press enter. So here again 79 marks is the average marks for the Rupesh for three subjects. If you don't want to type again and again, so the basic funda is that take your cursor over here, and when that cursor is converted to the plus sign, then drag from that cell to the last cell. So here we have get average marks for every subject. So here you have seen that average marks are 76.3333. So we can reduce these point marks. So here we can reduce this after point marks to 2 decimal. Okay, till 2 decimal we have decreased the marks. Again here we are going to find out the maximum marks in English subject, then minimum marks in English subject. For finding out the maximum marks in English subject, again we have to type the maximum formula, and that formula again starts from equal to sign equal to max, then bracket open. Again we have to select the range for particular subject marks. So here the subject name is English, so here we are going to select a particular marks range, then bracket close, and we have to press again enter. So the maximum marks in English subject is 90. Okay, you can if the data is of 100 students of 1000 students, you will get the uh, same result for the same formula. Okay, but it will be depends on your range. Again here we are going to check the maths maximum marks, max. Again we have to select the range. Okay, bracket close and enter. So here we got the 87. If you don't want to type the same formula again and again, you know that here you have to click, and if your cursor is converted to plus sign, then drag. Okay, same formula will be applicable to the next cell as well. Here we want the minimum marks. So again the formula for minimum function is that is equal to mean, then bracket open. Again same subject marks range you have to select, bracket close, enter. You will get the minimum marks. Now we don't want to type again and again. We are going to select this cell, on which the minimum formula is applied, our cursor is converted to the plus sign. Again we are going to drag to the last cell, so we will get the minimum marks for each subject over here. So I hope you have understand the average function, maximum function and minimum function in Excel. Hope you will enjoy my videos. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel and my video. Thank you so much.